Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset or a factory reset on a Vizio Smart TV. If you're just having too many connection issues, sound issues, just all kinds if it's just acting up, you can just reset it so that it comes out like it came out of the box, and then you can set everything back up. A lot of times that will fix the issues. So what we're going to do that is we're going to come around to the back of the TV, and we're going to find the volume down button and the input select button, and we're going to press and hold them for several seconds until a screen pops up on the TV, which looks like this, and you can see it says choose a language for your TV. It looks like it's going through a startup process. So we're going to do that, and it's going to talk about the TV resetting, and then we're going to come back around and hold the input select again, but just the input select this time. Press and hold it. Then we're going to come back around. You'll see you press and hold that, and then it will show up on the TV screen again that you choose a language, and it says and then it even says on here, press the input button for 10 seconds, and then it will show the that the TV is resetting. So hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.